Yo.
My eyes. I killed them with that flash.
Apparently we started the vlog with a flash on. Me.
We're having... Oh no.
We're having salad.
Oh no.
Oh no, what do you do?
Oh no.
Oh no. Got curry dressing on yourself and what?
No, I don't really know.
I'm sorry, if there's some noise, it's this fucking thing taking off. It's playing Blade and Soul. Yeah. Anyway, we had this yesterday actually as well. And it's pretty fucking good. And how is it today? Yes. And basically it's, well, a salad of course. And we have some pasta. And we have bacon. And we have chicken. What is it? Curry chicken or what?
Yeah, I just
Yeah.
fried it in the bacon fat
Yeah.
and a little bit of curry.
Yeah, okay. And then some curry dressing. And we have sweet corn, cucumber. What the fuck are they called? Radishes?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, radishes. I don't know what they call that. Carrots and iceberg salad.
Lettuce.
Lettuce. Yeah. Whatever.
To tell what we're doing today.
Yes. Later today, we are. You're supposed to tell them. Okay.
I'm waiting for you to tell.
Okay. Later today, we're going to IKEA. That's right. And why are we going to IKEA?
Because we need new electric bulbs.
Yeah. And
You want scented candles, although I'm telling you that we have...
we're going there to eat dinner.
Yeah. I think we're gonna have dinner there, because then we don't have to cook today. And tomorrow we're going out for brunch, because it's my mom's birthday. So my parents and my brother and my grandmother are coming over. And we're going into town to a brunch. That might also be in this vlog.
Yeah.
But now,
Food.
let us together get rest.
What the hell, man?
What do you do when you're on the go and you really need to get a snack?
Gärna haps. Ah! Okay, I could open it. Look, this little fella. Gärna haps.
It looks like this.
Haps.
Something. Is it good?
Hmm?
It's
pretty good.
hot.
Yeah, that's one for you.
I'm not so sure about this. Oh, there's still.
These are pretty good. Little star hapses.
I mean, I feel a bit like a dog. I do actually taste quite good.
No.
So we have this little tree. And then we have its big brother.
It's gigantic.
Can I interest you in a bit of an aperitivo?
Yes.
It's still quite cute.
Yeah.
Very small.
Pretty tiny, yeah.
Yes. Yes, it's
It's like they're from like some kind of comic or something.
Yeah, a little bit.
Something like
They're
that.
super light, right?
Yeah, they don't weigh that much. Well, they barely weigh anything.
So, What the hell, IKEA?
Look at this way.
What the hell?
It's a velvet jacket.
Weird. This is the hideous thing ever. Oh my god.
This is so cool.
Oh, it even has a zipper. It's more like just a coat you wear outside. Like if you worked at like the marine, no, like the harbor. Turn around, spin around. Let me see your OOT. This is so hideous. Why?
This is super cool. I like it. It's nice and comfy.
You're not getting that.
Try hugging.
No. Oh my god, it's even.
Ah.
They also sell sleeping bags, so.
I guess.
No,
So this
it's a rug.
Oh. So this is if you're super busy and you don't have time to pack anything. You just wear
that
it,
one's
wear
sort
it
of
covered.
like a sort of thing. I don't know.
Oh, this one's cool. I like it. I would buy it.
No.
Ring light. Man, you can't even see the whole ring.
IKEA now sells ring lights.
Yes.
If anyone's interested.
They're pretty cool.
And pretty expensive still.
Yeah.
For IKEA. Like IKEA's food gets worse and worse each time.
Yes. It really does.
We also had some extra fries. We couldn't really decide. Like, I have nothing because Jesper is apparently taking the share food.
Yes. That's my food now. But yeah, shoot the bottle with
Yeah. Nothing special. But look, this one. It looks cool.
Yeah, they got the decorations right.
Yeah.
We're back home, guys. The IKEA trip kind of took a turn for the worse.
All of a sudden we both felt like super dizzy. I don't know if it was just walking around or something, but all of a sudden it was just like, oh.
Yeah.
And then we had to get some food, and then we just kind of wanted to hurry home.
Yeah. Look at these guys.
Sorry for Graham Northern in the background.
Yeah, he's speaking some Eurovision stuff. Look at these. Aren't they fucking cute? It's tell them what it is.
Well, we have a wind turbine, and we have an oil factory, an oil burner, and then we have the oil pump.
Yes. And basically, yeah, they're putting small candles in, and we just thought they were super
Tea
cute.
lights.
Yeah, they were super cute, and they were just Julie. They fit her so
Yeah,
well.
if you don't know, I study energy technology, so they
Yeah.
were basically me.
Yep, they really fit.
I need to film myself.
Okay, that was kind of creepy. Okay, now it's just weird. Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
That's really horrible angle.
Yeah.